Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from AndroDollar.com. This right here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've been using it for months, ever since it came out. And over this time period, I've really put it to the test. And more than any other previous iPhone that came before this, I really like using this phone without a cover. In this video, I want to explain to you guys why that might be and what effect titanium has in all of that. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Let's go ahead and talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max coming in with this titanium finish, at first I was like, it's really great if the entire phone is full of titanium, I mean even including the back, but then again they might have different problems there getting the wireless charging and like the MagSafe and all of that to work with that. So we still have the back, the back glass. However, it's still having that frosted design and all of that. That combined with this titanium finish on the edge of the device has really made this phone quite comfortable to hold. Like I showed you guys in my unboxing video with my initial impressions with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this phone is quite light compared to the previous iterations. And also with that, with the rounded edges on the sides of this phone, I think this is one of the most comfortable Max phones Apple has ever put out. Especially one of my favorites with this natural titanium color. This color really blends in with anything, whether you have a MacBook Pro or whether you have an Apple Watch Ultra 2. This also is titanium, by the way, so that's a perfect combo. My MacBook Pro is also silver color, so all three of them match now for once, so that's pretty great. And the case selection for this titanium color is also quite good because it's natural titanium. I haven't really had any damages on the body of this phone at the back as well as on the shell. And also the fingerprint resistance on this natural titanium color has been quite good. Surprisingly, the blue color and some other titanium variants still leave fingerprints, but this one on the other hand, while there's light fingerprints to be seen, most of the time, with a quick wipe you can get that out and it looks brand new. Even though I've been using this phone for months, most of the time, especially when I'm at home, I don't use a cover at all. So it's been quite great to have this finish even after such a long time of daily using this phone. And also I've still grown a lot on this color. I really hope that they will continue this natural titanium color in the upcoming years, because I think this is a really cool color that matches everything else, and it's like more muted when compared to the flashy colors that we used to have earlier. Like especially from last year, I didn't really enjoy having that purple color 14 Pro Max, right? Even though that was the highlighting color, didn't really I didn't really enjoy using a purple color iPhone. But this on the other hand has really solved that, matches perfectly, like I said, with the Apple Watch as well as the MacBook and all of that. So that's pretty great. And also I need to mention the durability of this phone because like I said, I use this phone without a cover most of the time, but I've dropped this phone also about 3 or 4 times at this point, and so far there's been no damages whatsoever. I think one day I just kept it on stone little bit harder, and this glass protector that I have for the back camera, for the 5 times zoom camera here at the back, that has broken off. I need to get that replaced, but that's a tiny thing. Nothing has happened to the lens, which is great, and the front glass and all of that still looks great. And on top of all of that, the phone still fits in the hand really well, doesn't really overheat after all of the latest updates. So it's been great to use this titanium variant. I can't wait to see what they will bring in this year with the new iPhone. So let's go ahead and see. As I finish my testing with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'll bring you guys my full review very soon. So if you guys are interested in seeing my full review, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. And if you guys have any questions, anything that you want me to address about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, then definitely let me know so that I can include that in that video as well. You can reach out to me on social media as well. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to talk to you guys about the new iPhone. I'm shooting on the new Sony ZV-E10. So the quality might be different compared to my other videos. So let me know what you guys think about the quality as well. So with all of that being said, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.